Once upon a time, in a happy town full of friends and fun, there lived a young girl named Ellie. Ellie had bright, curious eyes and a kind heart. She was excited to start her new adventure at Sunnyvale School. On her very first day, Ellie noticed a boy sitting alone under an old oak tree. His name was Max. He had shy eyes and a gentle smile. He looked like he felt very lonely. When the bell rang, Ellie saw something that made her sad. A group of kids teased Max about being quiet and having old sneakers. Max looked down, and Ellie could feel his sadness. Ellie decided to do something. She walked over to Max, sat next to him, and shared her favorite storybook. Everyone needs a friend, she thought. Max's eyes lit up with a little hope. That day, Ellie shared more than just a book. She shared her friendship. She showed Max he wasn't alone. Sometimes, a new friend can make all the difference. In the days that followed, Ellie and Max became best friends. Ellie wanted to understand more about Max. She learned that Max loved to paint. His pictures were full of bright colors and dreams. One sunny afternoon, Ellie found Max sitting alone. He looked sad and his paintbrush was still. Max told Ellie that the teasing made him feel like he didn't belong. His paintings weren't as colorful anymore because he felt so sad. Ellie listened carefully. She knew Max had many feelings he couldn't say out loud. She encouraged him to paint his feelings. Together, they painted a mural on a school wall. Max's brush moved with new energy, showing his strength and joy. Their mural became a symbol of understanding and bravery. It inspired others to see and understand each other better. With Ellie's help, Max's world changed from lonely to full of friends and colors. As the mural neared completion, its magic spread through Sunnyvale School. Max was no longer alone. Everyone saw his kind heart and talent. One morning, Ellie and Max saw some kids teasing another student named Lily. They made fun of her love for science and her big glasses. Ellie remembered how she had helped Max. She walked over to Lily, complimented her on her science project, and asked her questions about it. Lily's face lit up with a big smile. Max joined in, sharing his story of how Ellie had changed his world. The other kids listened and started to see Lily differently. They realized everyone is special in their own way. Ellie and Max's actions changed the playground. It became a place of kindness and curiosity. The children learned that kind words can bring people together and make everyone feel special. As autumn leaves fell, Ellie, Max, and Lily teamed up for a school project about their community. They were excited to explore what made their town special. Ellie led with her kind heart, Max painted beautiful pictures, and Lily gathered interesting facts. They met shopkeepers and local heroes, learning everyone's stories. One day, while working in the park, other kids came over, curious about their project. Ellie, Max, and Lily shared their discoveries, and soon everyone joined in. Their project became a bridge, connecting facts and stories with hearts and minds. The classmates found common ground, learning and laughing together. The project ended with a school exhibition showing their work as a colorful mosaic of community life. It highlighted diversity, unity, and the strength of working together. Ellie, Max, and Lily showed that building bridges is about understanding and appreciating everyone around us. It makes the community stronger and more connected. As winter came, the bonds of friendship grew stronger at Sunnyvale School. Ellie, Max, and Lily inspired kindness in their classmates. One frosty morning, a new student named Tom arrived. He loved astronomy but was shy. Some kids teased him, but this time things were different. Ellie and her friends approached Tom, showing interest in his star charts and asking about the stars. Other students watched and began to stop teasing. Tom smiled as he shared his knowledge about the constellations. The classroom buzzed with curiosity, and Tom became the star expert. The kids organized a Night of Stars event. Tom led the presentation, sharing his passion for the cosmos. It was a night of unity under the starry sky, where everyone shone with respect and understanding. The children of Sunnyvale School learned that standing strong together means standing up for each other. They celebrated everyone's uniqueness and created a community where everyone belonged.